Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 sound or audio problem. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Playing Audio. Second method is click Search icon, type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Audio. Change Startup type to Automatic, start the service, click Apply, click OK. If service is already started, restart the service. Third method is click Search icon, type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click your audio device, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Fourth method is right-click audio device, click Update Device. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Updated Model, click Next. Fifth method is, right-click your audio device, click Uninstall Device. Restart system. Sixth method is click Start, Settings. Click Sound. Click More Sound Settings. Click Playback tab. Click Select Show Disabled Devices and also select Disconnected Devices. Select your playback device, click Set Default. Click Properties. Click Enhancements top. Check Disable all enhancements. Click Apply, click OK. Click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.